Hi, everybody, welcome back. Today we are in Houston, Texas, and we are visiting a few friends that I haven't seen in a while. We're also going to be visiting the Learning Express store where they have all the cool fidgets and gadgets and poppets. But first, we stopped at Yogurtland. I got the tart with some gummy bears. It was so good, you guys. Y'all have to try it. The next morning at my friend's house. Guess what we're making, though? That's right, we are making arepas. They were so good and easy that I forgot to show y'all the picture, but this is all I got in record. So we made it and we are at the Learning Express Center, and yeah, look what happened to my phone.
You said you're getting one, right?
So we are here at Learning Express.
We are here.
Go this way first.
Yeah, these are big birds. Look how big this is. Look, pumpkins. Why am I so excited? Oh, okay. I don't know what's going on. Yeah. I want this. Take the top two. Let's talk to you. Have this. I found those balls.
This one is pretty cute.
Too fun.
Cute.
Look at this. What? I saw this. If I can get a dough, well, I'm gonna take off the messy plate. No, Prince, you need to check out this. Like, come over here. There's one open. Cute. They have Rubik's cubes.
Yeah, some cute stuff. They have so many cute things here. And so many things for the kids. We already got this. Got this. We're gonna get a few more things. But yeah. Comment down below if you've been here or if you haven't been here.
Oh.
We are all done now and we are going to check out.
I'm paying cash or card? Card. Okay, you can go ahead and answer it right there. I'll get you a bag. How are you doing? Okay. Yeah.
I have a list of responsibilities that I'm going to do today. So, of course, social media, I know you have things, and what's
Sounds good.
So we are all done and we got all these cool gadgets. After all that shopping, we got thirsty and we stopped at the tea house. I really love the tea house, and I always get the mango cream blend, or I get the milk tea with tapioca. Let me know if y'all have had those type of drinks or if you would be willing to try them. It's gonna be so good. So we are heading out of Houston, Texas. I got to see all my friends and got to go to the places that we wanted to go to, and just hope to come back and see Houston again. Bye. God bless you.